Hi everyone. GT Power. 100% Thunderbike. If you're watching this, prepare to experience a custom build that brings together precision engineering, timeless style, and pure GT power. Because with Fusions, we created exactly what the customer envisioned. A bike that is powerful, dynamic, and designed with a level of elegance that never fades. At first glance, the stance tells the story. A massive 23-inch GT wheel at the front and a 21-inch at the rear, both finished in deep high-gloss black with refined contrast cuts. Each spoke is shaped through precise CNC milling, giving the wheels a sense of depth and lightness. Follow the contour with your eyes, you'll see how the design flows seamlessly and effortlessly, almost like a continuous line drawn in metal. Up front, the engineering becomes unmistakable. The bike features the Thunderbike Grand Prix fork tube kit, complete with radial brake calipers and 340mm wave brake discs. This combination delivers high torsional rigidity, a razor-sharp pressure point, and the kind of braking force that inspires total confidence. The specially manufactured lower tubes and DLC-coated upper tubes ensure minimal friction and flawless responsiveness, performance wrapped in pure visual strength. But the rear wheel? That's where the Fusions truly shows its character. A brutal yet elegant 21-inch wheel, 260mm wide, nestled inside our 3-piece single-sided swing arm. Machined with extreme precision, this swing arm offers maximum stability at remarkably low weight, the perfect balance between engineering and art. The single-side kit is matched with a custom pulley, a perimeter brake disc, and a powerful 6-piston brake caliper. And in classic Thunderbike fashion, the license plate holder disappears discreetly behind the pulley, keeping the design clean, open, and perfectly streamlined. The 21 inches and 23 inches GT wheel design, the single-sided swing arm, the powerful brake setup, and the nitride fork all combine into one philosophy. Sporty performance expressed through understated elegance. Despite the extensive engineering behind this build, the classic breakout design remains intact. The original tank stays. The steel rear fender stays. Even the stock handlebars and risers remain in place. This is intentional, a custom bike that doesn't scream for attention, but rewards every close look with layers of detail and craftsmanship. The riding position is defined by our forward-mounted footrest system, stretching the rider into a long, low, commanding posture. Its lightweight modern design, complete with milled recesses, blends perfectly with the contrast cut theme. Satin finished footrests and matching grips create harmony from front to back. Look closer, and you'll find even more refinement. An air filter cover and drill design, matching toppers for the footrests and grips, and turn signals that almost vanish into the motorcycle itself. At the front, they hide just beneath the instruments. At the rear, they're seamlessly integrated into the fender. Everything in deep glossy black. The engine has to be completely dismantled so that it can be powder-coated entirely in black. The effort pays off, the dark look with its brutal proportions unfolds its full effect and looks like a black stealth bomber on two wheels, deep, muscular, evil, yet sporty and clean. At the rear, the hydraulic suspension lowers the bike deep and menacingly onto the asphalt, keeping it sharply on track both when stationary and on the road, and remaining comfortably sprung despite its appearance. And when the sound takes center stage, one thing is clear, the Jekill and Hyde system delivers goosebumps on demand. Conclusion: extremely powerful, sporty, high quality. This is Fusions, a breakout transformed into a masterpiece of GT engineering, wrapped in elegance, power, and the unmistakable DNA of Thunderbike. Thanks for watching.